All right, in the part 3 of Lab 9, what we're going to do is to use the trim command to open up where the door goes. Actually, there's a little error here which we'll fix. We should have a line going across the top. And we'll also use the trim command as part of making this arc for the door swing. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to type OSNAP. I'm going to turn the OSNAP on. I want to make sure I have endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, and extension checked. You can have other stuff, but we're going to need at least that. Okay. We want to turn ortho mode on, so make sure your ortho mode is on. And what we're going to do is we're going to start drawing our construction lines. I'm going to start at where that window is right there. I'm going to go up, and I've locked onto the extension. I'm going to start there, and I'm going to go over 2 feet. Then I'm going to come down 2 feet, and since ortho is on, I'm only going vertical or horizontal. Then I'm going to hit enter to end the command, enter to replay the command. I'm going to lock onto here, and I'm going to make my 3-foot door opening. And I'm going to come down 2 feet. Okay. So I now have my construction lines for my trim. So again, I've specified the objects are going to be the knives, so to speak, that cut away. I'm going to have this vertical line, the left vertical line, and the right vertical line. I click on enter, and now it's asking, what do I want to get rid of? I want to get rid of that white line, the lower white line, and again I have to make sure when I get rid of the hatch that it's the grayed out part. So I click on that, I hit enter, and I'm done. I'm going to replay the trim command by hitting enter, and now what I want to do is get rid of these parts of these white lines. So this is going to become these white lines here are going to become the knives, so to speak. So I'm going to trim on that one, this one, the left one, and the upper left one. And so that's done. And now if I just hit the erase, I just click on erase, get rid of that line and that line, hit enter, they go away. So now I'm ready to draw my line. I'm going to come over to the line, I'm going to lock onto that corner, I'm going to go down 3 feet because it's a 3-foot door. I'm going to end the command, I'm going to replay the command, lock onto this upper corner here, the end point. I'm going to go over, and so on my exterior door I show that line there. I hit escape. And now I have to draw the door swing. So I go to the center circle. I'm going to click here. Oops, wrong place. I'm going to go to the center circle. Click on the hinge. And I'm going to go out till I get to the end point here, which I lock onto. Okay. Now I'm going to use the trim command. I'm going to specify this line, which is the closed door, and this line, which is the open door, as my knives. And I want to get rid of the Pac-Man part back here, and I'm left with the door swing. The final thing is I want to make my line a little bit bigger, so I click on the select cursor, click on this line, and I'm going to come over to where it says line weight, and then I click on, I'm going to click on the line weight, and 0.3, and hit enter, and now we can see that the door is a little bigger. I might zoom back out again, zoom all, I kind of moved in, oops, zoom all, I can hit A, and I move out. And remember, to move things I can just go in and hit the shift key, and I can move my mouse where I want, and I can go zoom in just by rolling the ball on the mouse, the wheel on the mouse. And that's it.